Ladies and gentlemen, we have some Apld news. We have some good news. Hello, Apld. Hello, nurse, as they say. Apld shares gain on 5.2 billion data center lease. This is what I love about Apld. It's just going to keep getting those sweet contracts because we need the infrastructure, we need the power, etc., etc. I'm not going to rinse and repeat myself over and over again, but then again, that's what the market does. It just rinse and repeats. Think about what I'm saying. The market rinse and repeats. It goes up, it goes down, it gets contracts, it goes down, gets contracts again, it goes up, then we go down, rinse and repeat. This is why I tell people the stock market is easy once you know the patterns and if you're willing to put in the work and study. So join the Discord, patreon.com/shades and trades. I do offer now the yearly membership. People were requesting an yearly membership so they can just pay for the whole year up front. So that is available now for those of you who want that. Some people have requested a permanent lifetime membership. I don't know how much. I don't know. I have to think about it. I would have to charge like $1,000 just if you want a permanent lifetime membership. You're just a member for life and you don't got to pay monthly. Maybe $1,000 is what I'm thinking because I think that would be fair, especially because it's just permanent. You're just in the Discord forever at that point. So we'll see though. That's just kind of something I'm thinking about. We'll see though. We'll see. Shares of Apld rose after a lease agreement for an artificial intelligence data center campus with a US-based hyperscaler. It is up 8%. So tomorrow, let's see if we get some continuation. Let's see if we can continue because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be playing the continuation here. If we get continuation, we should see this is already at 44. If this gets continuation, it should see 47 and potentially 50. So look out for that tomorrow. Again, when a stock gets news and it starts pumping in after hours like this, what you're looking for is the continuation the following day, right? People get excited, woo, right? You're gonna see a nice gap like this, right? A nice gap here, and then woo, just keeps going up. So that's kind of what you're looking for. You're gonna get a nice 8%, 10% gap, and then hopefully it gets that big pump for the rest of the day. So that's what you're looking to take advantage of. This is a great example of that. So especially because here it tanked and then bam, right? Tanked and we would expect a bam to the upside. So, and eventually we'll break $50. $50 is a nice big psychological level. Remember what I was telling you guys when this thing was at $20, $30, $25. I was telling you guys, this is cheap. This is where you buy and you hold for 50 or 100 or 200, whatever. And it's up to you how long you want to hold. Obviously, for $200, you might have to hold for a few years. For $100, you might have to hold for another year. But I believe, at least right now, if you're looking for the quick flip, get in and hold for 50 and maybe 60, because if it breaks 50, we go to 60. These are nice round psychological numbers, by the way. For those of you wondering how the hell does he know these levels, it's just people like round numbers. That's it. I don't know. People like round things. I don't ask me. It is what it is, right? People, it came to $50 on the dot and then came down. So people that's how people are. I can't explain it. Yeah, we're never going to see under 30, and we sure as hell might never see 20s. We would need to go into a bear market. Essentially, we would have to go into a bear market that lasts for like 6 months, a year, and I'm sure most of you are going, hell no, we don't want that again. Yeah, we don't want another one of those. Or maybe you do because you want Apld nice and cheap. So, yeah, I don't think we're seeing 20s again. So anyone who didn't buy at 20s, yes, you should feel bad because I was telling you, just buy under 30 and you're fine. When it came down to 20, you should have been like, hell yeah. Not, it's scary to buy down here. That doesn't make sense. So, there you go. Continuation. I still reiterate my 50, 80, 100, 120, 150, 200 price targets. Up to you whether you want to hold for the bigger price targets, scale out on the way up, or just dollar cost average, whether it goes up and down and just continue to hold for years and years. There's no way around what these machines need, what the AI needs. It needs a lot of power, unfortunately. Right? Think of it this way. It's like food. We need a lot of food to sustain ourselves. And water. Right? If we don't drink water, we die pretty quick. Pretty funny. Well, not instantly, obviously, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. So, I believe, kind of like how humans need billions and billions of chickens to die so we can eat that sweet, sweet meat. Yeah, we're going to need a lot of power. We're going to need a lot of it in the billions at some point. So, it's a buy. This is a buy. CLSK, Riot stock and the many other infrastructure plays, I think they're a buy. Eventually, the hype will come back into these stocks. I don't think there's been enough hype around these. If yeah, the day we get hype on the AI infrastructure side of things, we're going to get a lot of AI infrastructure plays like NUAI. You're going to see all of these just pump huge. So, and the day that the government makes some kind of an announcement, hey, we're going to do some crazy infrastructure package, billions of dollars to all these companies, you better believe that Apld, along with the many other plays like this, are going to run. So, get in there and just sit on the position and wait. NUAI is another one, and you can see it's just sideways here. It's just sideways. It's not really going to do much of anything until it gets news, or um, or the government announces something crazy with regards to that entire sector. So plenty of AI infrastructure plays out there, both cheap and expensive, both riskier and some safer than others. Apld would be one of the safer ones because it's actually getting contracts. It's actually getting going. So I think Riot Stock got an AMD deal as well. So Riot Stock, I think, is the next one that's going to go to 40 to 50. So if you're looking for something that's not, almost at $50, Riot Stock is the way to go. That's another one to get in on. Ever since they pivoted and got that AMD deal, they've been trending to the upside. So plenty of opportunities if you don't want to chase Apld down here. Up here at a 40 to 50 range. All right, guys, that's it for the video. As always, don't get angry if you buy and then it goes red. That's part of the game. I don't know why people get into the markets and think they're never going to be in the red. That's pretty stupid. In fact, you should always go into a trade with the mentality of, I'm going to buy and immediately I'm going to be red. That way, if you are green immediately, you're like, wow, what a shocker. It actually did the opposite. Woo, I'm so excited, happy. Don't set yourself up to be disappointed by having stupid stuff like that. I expect to be in the green always. And if I'm in the red, I'm going to drink alcohol and get angry and yell at people on the Discord. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.